Lighting up a candle, I whisper my poem, and I write for you, for your loneliness. It's layer of eyes by writing for your loneliness. I met you when the autumn leaves replaced winter ride, the chill touching our face. The water was calm, revealing the crowd. Gemstones and pebbles, what secrets were found. Stripped bare, I'm like a blank sheet of white, loving you through its layer of ice. I write. The layer was thick and unyielding too. My heart smells for you, with love shining through. The sun shines faintly, unable to win. The wind holds in the drunken spin. We love with a kiss, our hearts ablaze. As the sun sets, our arms embrace.